In this video, we are going to set up local development, how to preview component locally. So for that, as you can see now, it's not set up in our PC, so we will see an error. Yeah, so this is the error. This says this Lightning Web component extension is not installed. So click on this link. This link is available in the description. You have to click on that. After that, you have to copy this link. This is also available in the description. After copy this link, open command prompt in your PC and paste this link and press enter. This command will install these plugins to your PC. Before that, you have to check that your PC has already installed Python and Node. So for that, open command prompt and type Python, enter. So Python is installed. Again, open command and type Node. So as you can see that I have already installed Node and Python in my PC. If you haven't installed, please watch the development video that is available on our playlist. So please go to that link and after that run this command. It will take some time. Till then, run 2 to 3 commands more. Type npm install g node gyp. Hit enter. Once this command is successful, you run second command, that is npm install global production Windows build tools. npm install global production Windows build tools. it's giving us an error that we have to run this command in administrator PowerShell. So for that, copy this command and run PowerShell. Run as administrator. Once PowerShell is open, type this command and press enter. After that, after you have run all the command, open the VS Code and run this. Open the VS Code. After you run all the commands, open VS Code and try to run this component in locally. So for that, you have to left click and select preview component locally. After you select this command, a pop-up will occur and you have to select the browser of this PC. It will ask you for some permission. After that, you can run your component locally. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.